Gentlemen, and for all those ladies watching, hello. My name is Avik Chatterjee from The Men Incorporated.
Hi, my name is Dinesh Mohan.
Hi everyone, I'm Sushant Kumar from the Men Incorporated.
From my name, you would have made out by now that I am a Bengali. And as all good ideas come to us people, it came to me on a toilet pot. And if you have watched the movie Piku, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
I'm a model and an actor, and I've been walking the ramp for designers in India and abroad in all the major fashion weeks, and I have also acted in a few super hit movies like Bharat with Salman Khan, Sal Ki Aankh with Taapsee Pannu and Bhumi Pednekar, Darbar with Rajnikant ji, and a few Malayalam and Tamil movies.
Well, professionally, I happen to be an international CA, but I just hate working on these laptops and Excel sheets. What I like is fashion and lifestyle.
When I first came up with this idea, the first person I thought of was my close friend Sushant. We've known each other for more than 6 years now. He is a Manchester United fan, so am I.
So last month I got a call from my dear friend Abik, who shared his vision with me that bro हमको एक ऐसा central hub बनाना चाहिए where we can cater to all men's needs related to their styling, their fashion, their grooming, their dating relationships problems, etc, etc.
And like that, one fine day, I got a phone call from my very close buddy Sushant Kumar, who has a very sharp sense of style and is very well versed with the brand names and all those things, about styling and how to dress up and what to combine with what. And I've been seeking his advice in my personal life about my own personal styling.
It's a complex world for us out there. There's so many choices, so many expectations, so many demands when you have to become the perfect man. People expect you to be the best version of yourself always.
Because his vision coincides with my dream of trying to inspire people to be a better version of themselves every day by trying to dress up, trying to be their best, trying to wear that colorful chinos, trying to wear that double monk strap shoe.
And he called me up and he told me that he is in collaboration with somebody trying to come up with a pedestal, with a page which is going to address all these issues jointly on one platform, all the issues that are concerning the males. So this will mean something. So I was totally kicked and I was totally excited to join this platform. So here I am.
If we can make one man from India come to our website, our YouTube channel or our Instagram page, and if we can answer one question that has been in his head for quite a while, I think we would have done our job well and I would get a good night's sleep.
And the first person, of course, whom I could think about was my dear friend Dinesh Mohan. So I gave DM a call and I was like, DM, I've got something for us. It's just in our zone and it's on a platter for us. My friend Abik is a tech guy. He's going to take care of the website. He's going to take care of the insights. He's going to take care of the big data, etc, etc.
A gentleman called Abik, he's a total, geek.
So like 3 people, totally contrasting personalities from different walks of life, unite for a common vision and for a common goal. And that's how Men Incorporated happened.
We feel that this space in India is very scattered. There are some excellent people who give a lot of excellent advice, but we wanted to make a consolidated hub, and that's why The Men Incorporated was born.
The Indian man, somewhere deep down, he wants to dress up, he wants to look good. But I think he is stuck in a vicious circle in his comfort zone where he fears to step out. He might be made fun of by his friends, or he might be construed as the metrosexual guy. So I feel that we need to kill these myths.
So we'll try to shoot content which is very fun, which is very light, but which is very holistic. It concerns your queries about grooming, about fitness, about dating, about finances. And we're also looking for collaborations with a lot of brand names who can showcase their stuff.
Please do let us know in the comment section below what do you think about this. Give us a like if you believe in the work we're trying to do, and if you like us, then please subscribe to us.
So we need your blessings, we need your best wishes, and if you want, you can go to the comment section below and press the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon with a lot of fun content which is going to be very helpful.
Till then, be good, and you have to be a man before you can be a gentleman.